Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OPPO K12x and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 80. And there, we tap on our plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can set when add this event to our group on Gmail calendar members. In this part we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or by the switch we can turn on it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts and add people to this video conference. Add location of that notification, maybe today before, and you can add more than one. There we can change color about our notification to this event. Description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save, but you mustn't add everything. And you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.